Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to fix the RDP error, because of a security error, on RDP. The user's RDP may sometimes encounter the following error: because of a security error, the client could not connect to the remote computer. In this video, we will show you some solutions to fix this error. The main function of the Windows Defender firewall is to manage incoming and outgoing connection requests. In some cases, it may block RDP connection requests. Therefore, we need to disable it to fix the problem. First, open the control panel. Navigate the following path. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off in the left sidebar. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall under the Private Network Settings, and select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall under the Public Network Settings. Then go back to the Windows Defender Firewall page, find and click Advanced Settings. Click Inbound Rules. Right-click the items related to Remote Desktop, and select Disable Rule in the expanded menu. After this, try the remote connection again. In this solution, to solve the problem, you can delete the corrupted or misplaced certificate. Invoke the Run dialog box and then type and re-get it and hit OK to open Registry Editor. Navigate the following path. Click File and then Export to export the registry file. Type Exported Certificate in the file name box, and then click Save. On the right pane of the RCM, right-click each of the following values, click Delete, and then click Yes to verify the deletion. Then, quit Registry Editor, and then restart the remote desktop. You can also try to resolve the issue by configuring authentication and encryption. Invoke the Run dialog box and then type in gpedit.msc and press OK to open the local group policy editor window. Navigate the following path. Find and click the following options, then, change their status to enabled respectively. Then restart your Windows server and try again.